Second personal foul on Mr. Pablo. Nanganin pera sa bola. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Isana for 3. No good. Foul ng Mr. Ojeda. Last 6 minutes and 29 seconds before the end of our first quarter. The score. Parayan 9. Time out sadam. Time out ng mamisa. Inbound ni Mr. Quezada. Out of bounds. Bola sa Cons Diabon. Inbound ni Quezada. Pass to Mr. Rivera. Last net. 9. Foul. Foul ni jersey number 27. Mr. Pablo, and that's a third personal foul, Mr. Pablo. Third team foul. Inbound na yung to Commission. Commission dribbling the ball. Pass to sa ilalim. Naka-jersey number 22. Commission. Ay, umpok na yun. Na-intercept. Naka-Mr. Quezada for 2. No good. Rebounding. Rebound ni Mr. Pablo. Flag number 2. Nakataan ng foul. Foul ni 28. Mr. Commission. Connect ang first to know. First personal foul ni Mr. Commission of 13 foul. Rebound ni Mr. Commission. Commission ang nakapasahan. Niya pasa ka Mr. Ompok. Ompok kumita takes a 2 points by Mr. Ompok. Naka Mr. Lontok ang bola. Lontok from the ball. Pass to Mr. Rivera. Saucer a miss. Last 15 seconds shot. At least for 2. No good. Rebounding. Mr. Cupola. Pass to Mr. Commission. Commission nasa ilalim na si Ontok. For 2 points by Mr. Ontok. Naluntok from Mr. Quezada. From Mr. Lontok to Mr. Rivera. Last 15 seconds shot. Rivera's pass to Mr. Lontok. Takes the break, no good. Shot clock is there. Substitution sa daw rin. Out ang si Mr. Pablo ngayon si Mr. De La Torre. Bola sa MG. Nakakabista sa Rodra ng bola. Superioridad. Derecho. Takes the break, 2 points by Mr. Superioridad. Luntok dribbling ko. Last 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Last 15 seconds shot na. Tuamis. To De La Torre. 2 points by Mr. De La Torre. Commission to Mr. Superioridad. Superioridad. Ay, nakaka-intercept. Nakitaan of foul si Mr. Superioridad. Warning for penalty pa. Warning pa. Same yung ito kanina. Third team foul pa. So warning. Nakalantaw ang bola. Last 15 seconds shot lang. Shot clock is dead. Rebounding. Rebounding is dead. Commission. Commission. Nagmamadali. Naharas. Out of bounds. Bola yapon sa KMGT. Nasa Prada, 4-3. No good. Rebounding jersey number 5. Takes a 2. No good. Yapon. No good. Yapon. Rebounding jersey number 21. Naka-disturb ng Veras. Takes a 2. No good. Out of bounds. Bola sa Pound Stains Max. Last 3 minutes and 58 seconds. Isada for 3. No good. Rebound is kay Ronco. Pinaharas ng dalawa. Ronco nakalusot. Pass to jersey number 9. Na-intercept ni Mr. Ames. No good. Rebound kita. No good yapo. Nakaka-Mr. Komisyon ng bola. Komisyon. Hinaharas ng dalawa. Komisyon nakakalusot pa. And that's a foul. Jersey number